Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you could buy Bitcoin on Moomoo. In order to do so, here we are at moomoo.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to buy Bitcoin on Moomoo, a popular investing and trading app, follow these general steps. First off, you're going to want to download the Moomoo app from your app store or visit the website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log into your existing account. To buy cryptocurrencies, you will likely need to complete identity verification. Follow the app's prompts to submit necessary documents. Link your bank account or fund source. Deposit funds in your fiat currency to your Moomoo account. Open the app and find the market or assets section. Select cryptocurrency or search for Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin to view trading options. Select buy, enter the amount of Bitcoin or the amount in fiat currency you want to spend. Review the order details, including price, fees, and order type, and confirm the purchase. After confirmation, your Bitcoin balance should update and you can view your crypto holdings in your portfolio. Make sure to review fees and terms before buying crypto on Moomoo. If Moomoo doesn't support direct crypto trading in your region, check if they provide crypto stocks or ETFs instead. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, take a look in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you are interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a fantastic deal. Simply Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.